In March 2017, I'll be traveling to Uruguay, which is part of monk parakeets' native range. The parrots that I'm studying are really unique parrots. Parrots in general are very cool organisms, but these parrots have the capacity to build their own nests. They build these very large communal nests, which most parrots don't do. They nest in cavities. Due to this behavior, and due to the fact that they've been exported to many countries across the world for the global pet trade, they've become invasive. They've established themselves in novel environments across the U.S., across Spain, other parts of Europe, Mexico, parts of the Caribbean. And their nest building behavior, as well as other parts of their behavioral flexibility, are thought to be very important for their invasive success. For my project, I'm specifically looking at genetic changes and behavioral changes that are perhaps making them more successful invaders, maybe signatures of the fact that they're adapting to these new environments that they've been able to invade.
I'm using GoFund to try to raise some funding for my research, which is in Puerto Rico, and it's with the Puerto Rican parrot, which is a critically endangered Puerto Rican parrot species. The money that we'll be collecting in the GoFund campaign will be directed probably to the video recording equipment. It is a little bit expensive. The Puerto Rican parrot is the only endemic species of Puerto Rico, and also is the last remaining endangered endemic species of parrot of the United States. But one aspect that have not been looked at is how does parental care affect the reproductive success. So I will be looking at that specifically. So we'll be focusing on how does the parents distribute the food between their chicks, and see if that is actually limiting the factors that do not allow the population to grow.
What this project is a collaboration between NMSU and Universidad de La Salle Utopia campus in Yopal, Casanare. What we're doing there is we're installing a drip irrigation system. It's for Theobroma cacao, also known as the chocolate tree. And we are working with the students out there in order to get this drip irrigation system out and hopefully use it as a water management strategy in order to kind of create resilience within the cacao crop at the university.
So previously I used instrumental as a crowdfunding. So they helped me manage to get some money. So I used that money to buy equipment for the field. So I will be able to record behaviors in the field. Also, after that crowdfunding, instrumental changed the way they work, and they focus on matching the researcher with a possible company that may distribute equipment that we might be able to use. So they matched me with the mother company of Bushnells. So I got a few equipment that actually will be a lot of help this breeding season.
Eye on Research is a production of New Mexico State University.